Let's check the news from AWS. The Amazon Game Lift Servers team has made the Amazon Game Lift Server SDKs for C++, C#, and Go open source and available on the Amazon Game Lift GitHub organization. This allows developers to quickly get started integrating the server SDKs with native support for cross-compilation, ARM server builds, and the Unreal Engine toolchain. The removal of common setup hurdles like the need for external tools such as CMake and OpenSSL simplifies the integration experience. Amazon FSx for Lustre adds a new storage class that delivers the lowest cost and only fully elastic Lustre file storage. This storage class is optimized for HDD-based or mixed HDD/SSD workloads that have a mix of hot and cold data and don't require consistent SSD-level performance. This new storage class helps users lower costs by automatically scaling their file storage up or down based on their access patterns, eliminating the need for expensive over-provisioning and storage management. It only charges for the data you store, with automatic tiering between frequent access, infrequent access, and archive tiers. The intelligent tiering storage class also offers an optional SSD read cache that delivers SSD-level performance at HDD pricing, making it ideal for latency-sensitive workloads such as weather forecasting, seismic imaging, genomic analysis, and ADAS training. Amazon EMR now enables enhanced Apache Spark capabilities for lake formation tables with full table access. This feature allows data manipulation language operations, including create, alter, delete, update, and merge into statements on Apache Hive and Iceberg tables from within the same Apache Spark application. This new capability removes limitations that previously restricted certain ETL operations due to fine-grained access control offered by lake formation security controls at row, column, and cell levels. Instead, when full table access is granted, Apache Spark can directly read and write data, leveraging advanced capabilities such as RDDs, custom libraries, UDFs, and custom images. The feature also enables complex, interactive Spark applications through SageMaker Unified Studio in compatibility mode while maintaining lake formation's table-level security boundaries. I am pleased to announce the release of Model Context Protocol servers for AWS serverless and containers. This significant development enables AI-assisted application development by providing a standard interface that enhances real-time, contextual understanding of AWS services, including AWS Lambda, Amazon Elastic Container Service, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, and Finch. With MCP servers, developers can get from idea to production faster by giving their AI assistants access to an up-to-date framework on how to correctly interact with their chosen AWS service. This enables the generation of production-ready results that incorporate AWS operational best practices, well-architected principles, and service-specific optimizations. The new MCP servers simplify operations by allowing AI-assisted configuration of logging, monitoring, security controls, and troubleshooting failures specific to each AWS service. Amazon S3 Express One Zone now supports granular access controls with S3 access points, allowing for refined access based on specific prefixes or API actions. This enables the creation of tailored access policies for teams, applications, or individuals accessing data in S3 Express One Zone. The unique hostname provided by each access point allows for customizable permissions for granular access controls and restricts access to a virtual private cloud when necessary. This feature can be used to address various use cases such as data ingestion with write-only permissions, analytics processing with read-only access, or cross-account data sharing with specific restrictions. The support for S3 access points is available in all AWS regions where the storage class is available, and can be accessed using the AWS Management Console, Amazon S3 REST API, AWS Command Line Interface, or the AWS Software Development Kit. AWS Amplify Hosting announces customizable build instances to provide developers with more memory and CPU configurations to optimize their application's build environment. This feature allows users to select from 3 instance types, standard, large, and X-large, depending on the specific requirements of their application. Developers can adjust the build instance for any Amplify app in the Amplify console under Hosting Build Settings. The pricing for these instances can be found on Amplify's pricing page. This feature is available in all 20 AWS Amplify hosting regions, including Asia Pacific and Middle East and South America. AWS Security Hub now supports automated security checks that align with the National Institute of Standards and Technology Special Publication 800-171 Revision 2. This compliance framework provides recommended security requirements for protecting the confidentiality of controlled unclassified information in systems and organizations that aren't part of the U.S. federal government. The standard includes 63 automated controls that perform automated checks against AWS resources to evaluate compliance with NIST SP 800-171 Rev. 2 requirements. This new standard is now available in all AWS regions where Security Hub is currently available, including the AWS GovCloud and the China regions. To quickly enable the standard across your AWS environment, we recommend using Security Hub Central Configuration. With this approach, you can enable the standard in all or only some of your organization's accounts and across all AWS regions that are linked to Security Hub with a single action. AWS Cost Explorer now offers a new cost comparison feature that helps customers understand cost changes between 2 months. This feature automatically detects significant cost changes between 2 months and surfaces the key factors driving these changes. Cost comparison streamlines the time-consuming process of cost analysis by automatically identifying the most substantial cost changes across services, accounts, and regions. It eliminates the need to switch between different views in Cost Explorer or export data to spreadsheets for manual comparison. The feature provides detailed breakdowns of cost drivers, including usage changes, credits, refunds, and volume discounts impacts. Customers can use this information to gain insights into their monthly cost changes across their organization and quickly identify key drivers of spending changes. A new Top Trends widget on the AWS Billing and Cost Management Console homepage shows the top 10 cost variations between the previous 2 months. For deeper analysis, customers can use the Compare view within AWS Cost Explorer to reveal changes between any 2 selected months in usage, credits, refunds, and volume discount impacts. This feature is available at no additional cost in all AWS commercial regions, excluding AWS China regions. To get started, customers can visit the AWS Billing and Cost Management Console and view the Top Trends widget on the home page, or navigate to Cost Explorer and choose Compare in the Report Parameters panel. Amazon Neptune database is now available in the AWS Canada West and Asia Pacific regions on engine versions 1.4.5.0 and later. You can create Neptune clusters using R8G, R7G, R7i, R6G, R6i, T4G, and T3 instance types in these regions. Amazon Neptune database is a fast, reliable, and fully managed graph database as a service that makes it easy to build and run applications with highly connected datasets. Amazon OpenSearch service now supports script plugins that enable users to add new scripting languages or custom scripting functionality for operations like scoring, sorting, and field value transformations during search or indexing. Script plugins can be implemented as part of a custom plugin to extend the scripting functionality in OpenSearch. Users can upload and associate their custom plugins with domains using the OpenSearch Service Console or APIs. The service validates the plugin package for version compatibility, security, and permitted plugin operations before allowing it to run on their domains. The support for script plugins is available on all Amazon OpenSearch service domains running OpenSearch version 2.15 or later, and can be accessed in 14 regions globally, including Asia Pacific and Asia Pacific. To get started with custom plugins, users should visit the documentation provided by Amazon. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus now supports queries with time ranges up to 95 days, an increase from the previous 32-day limit. This feature enables customers to query any 95-day window, including historical data. Customers can use this feature to perform month-over-month comparisons and analyze long-term system trends. Additionally, they can review historical incidents to identify patterns and improve system performance. AWS DataSync simplifies and accelerates cross-cloud data transfers by allowing customers to transfer data directly between storage services in other clouds and Amazon S3 without needing to deploy DataSync agents. This new capability uses DataSync Enhanced Mode, which delivers increased performance and scalability. This enhanced mode provides faster transfer speeds through parallel processing of data preparation, transfer, and verification, while supporting virtually unlimited object counts. The simplified setup requires no agent deployment, making it easier for customers to monitor transfers using detailed metrics and reporting capabilities. AWS DataSync now enables direct transfers to and from storage services in other clouds, including Google Cloud Storage, Microsoft Azure Blob Storage, and Oracle Cloud Object Storage. This new capability is available in all AWS regions where AWS DataSync is offered, allowing customers to streamline their data pipelines and accelerate migrations from other clouds to AWS. CloudTrail Lake now supports event enrichment, which makes it easier to categorize, search, and analyze your AWS activity by appending resource tags and select AWS global condition keys to your events. This feature allows you to enrich your CloudTrail management and data events with additional information relevant to your business context. You can use resource tags in your events to create application-specific activity reports or view AWS API activity based on the properties of the IAM principal. For instance, you can see all delete actions taken by principals with a specific principal tag. Event enrichment integrates seamlessly with CloudTrail Lake's analytical capabilities, including AI-powered natural language query and summarization, enabling you to gain deeper insights into your AWS activity. Additionally, CloudTrail Lake now supports expanded event size, which allows you to expand events up to 1 megabyte in size. This significant increase from the previous 256 kilobytes limit reduces the need for CloudTrail to truncate events, providing higher visibility into API actions and a more comprehensive security analysis. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.